Top 5 safety mistakes in chemical plants. Safety is not just a rule, it's a responsibility. Here are 5 common safety mistakes seen in chemical plants. Not wearing proper PPE. Safety shoes, gloves, goggles and helmets are your first line of protection. Ignoring small leaks. Even a minor chemical leak can become a major safety hazard if not reported immediately. Bypassing safety procedures, shortcuts may save a few minutes but can lead to serious incidents. Poor housekeeping. Chemical spills, blockade, walkways, and cluttered work areas increase accident risk. Inadequate communication during shift handover. Critical safety information must always be shared between shifts. Always remember, safety starts with awareness and discipline. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical insight on industrial safety, chemical plant operation, and production management.